Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to change the name of WhatsApp group. If you are a member or admin of WhatsApp group, you may want to change its name from time to time to keep it relevant or to reflect the group's purpose. In this video, I will show you how to change the name of WhatsApp group in just a few simple steps. First of all, open the WhatsApp group whose name you want to change. Then tap on the name of the group at top of the screen. Then on the top right corner, you will see three dots. Click on that and then click on change subject. From here you can change the name of the group. So let's assign a new name to this group. You can also attach emojis in your WhatsApp group name. And after you are satisfied with the new name, click the OK button. And now if you go back to the chat, you can see the group name is changed. And that's it. You have successfully changed the name of the WhatsApp group. Everyone in the group will see the new name and it will be updated in their chat list. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.